Hello, beautiful people. February is here, and as I sprinkle a little Valentine's magic around, I'm also sprinkling some self-love into my mindset. 2025 is about joy, abundance, and not settling for anything less. I'm ditching fear, scarcity, and relationships that don't honor my worth. Plus, in the spirit of self-love, I'm ramping up my water and protein game on my weight loss journey. I would really love to hear what new mindsets and healthy habits that you plan on incorporating into your life and into this year. In today's video, we're focusing on good vibes, great health, positive habits, and a healthy, positive life. It's about finding out what brings you joy and happiness. I really like decorating for the different seasons. This year, I was so busy I didn't do much, but here's some that I just put up these little decorations just to bring some joy and happiness. I also like baking things, and my husband loves sweets, so that's a win-win for me. And I'm sharing this recipe with you today that is a apple spice cake. What I did is I just chopped up the apples. I made it kind of like an apple pie filling, and then I put it in the pan and baked it a little bit before adding the cake mix, and I poured the cake mix on top and then baked that all. And when I turned it over, it was like an apple cinnamon upside down cake. It was delicious, and let me tell you, the house smelled so good. And I know many of you ask me if I can bake this stuff and not eat it on my weight loss journey. And what I do is when I bake it, I'll usually have a small portion and try it, and then I cut it up and freeze it and wrap it into individual slices for my husband's lunch. So I hope that tip helps and that you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.